Ebi byonna bigambira Reverend Ronald Natwera ubwabira ari omuburizi mukuru obw'aba Mothers Union kuruga mu kanisa ya Kakonkoma nabo babenu bajaguze ekiro kya Mariamu aha mukoro nugo gumwe habira habafumbo abatahira mu kikombe kya Mothers Union.
Amweni wosawa oryane n'omushiya muhababurane mwinamuke mushuru abana banyu ndibiza kubasha kandi abana banyu kubarosha yimwe kababazire tihinde cy'umurugobo ako barabajyabentaro baragwaniritaga eryo tararwanire na beneso
bo aba Mothers Union kurugo mu kanisa ya Kakonkoma nabajangu nibijuka Mariamu habwo kuba akaba ari omukazi omucurezi kandi bahiga abafumbo okurugayo bakataha mu Mothers Union.
Nikitwegesa Mariamu okuya bayiro mwishiki murungi akaba omucurezi mbwene nikitwegesa ngo neyitwa abakyara tukwerebe Mariamu yakozere
imanyisa abakazi abashugiye nabo ko banyina maka kandi nimpiga abakazi abatakizire kwe twegitaho bije batwegiteho batahibwo mu kibina cya Mothers Union
kushemererwa ahabwo kutaha Mothers Union nasimaho ruhanga ahabwo kuba ntwire ntacetekire konka ahabwo kunda kwe yicereza
aba basekurunda sente zirkwingana miliyoni 2 zo kushanjura hakanisa yabo.
The church, I appreciate that this is a place and a space, a safe space where I can come and meet other women who have had experience to do so much in their homes and contribute to their community.
Omugandi bwa nyuma yazimwa muri za district za Rwenzori kugumaniza ugwerwe bigwerezi Right Reverend Barnabas Tibijuka Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa West Rwenzori niwaterira abatura kubarinde byo buhangwa ekirize kucendezo kutenguka kwenshozi hamwe no kuvuga kwemigera ebi abigambiro bwa benatongoza busaba dikono bwabo bandi hamwe no kujekora abukurire ari St James Church of Uganda bubandi parish mu district ya Bundi bujo
Church of Uganda. Nature is revenging. You have seen what is happening in Kasese, in Unyangabo. Last year we had a lot of landslides here, but simply because we have not obeyed nature.
To pledge that our archdiaconry, I want to be the model archdiaconry in Yoro West Rwenzori diocese.
Also, when we are cultivating, because we are an agricultural community, let us use climate-smart agricultural practices.
We need more and more sensitization. The politicians should come down. Not only politicians from Parliament, we need politicians even from LC1.
Services that you are giving are the services that are set from God, and we congratulate you.
My best to see to it that I take this archdiaconry to another level. I want to encourage everyone that patience is the key virtue for success.
Bishop Tibijuka najangwa abatura bashire kurinde byo buhangwa ekirize kuretaho kucendeza ko kutenguka kwenshozi hamwe no kuboga kwemigera. Bishop wahendera kubyare meeting aguma muringo gukorekera abatura ekibashikire gukora. Gasha kwa dano basibiye na Gilbert Muhanguzi.